Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, I'm from Saratech, and today I'm going to show you how to make an item inside of Teamcenter and attach a data set to this item. So jumping right into it, I already have Teamcenter open, and I'm going to make sure I'm on my home tab, and then from there I'm going to make sure I'm selected on home, as you can see here, and then I'm going to do File, New, Item, make sure I'm on Item, hit next, and then on this page I'm gonna go and hit assign for ID and revision, and what this does is it asks Teamcenter to auto generate an ID and revision for me. For name, I'm gonna go ahead and give it bracket as the name, and then for properties, right now I don't have unit and measure as my own properties, but if you had more you would fill out down here. So I'm going to go ahead and select CC and hit finish. Once my item is created, I can go ahead and close out of this window. And as you can see, I have my item created. Sometimes when you make an item and it's not popping down here, check your new stuff folder. Usually if you don't give Teamcenter a location, it's going to default to your new stuff folder. So if you can't find your item, just double check your new stuff folder. It's most likely going to be there. So now that I have my item, I'm going to go ahead and attach a data set. So I'm going to expand this, and then under my item I have an item revision, and then expanding it, it's blank. So I'm going to select my item revision and add my data set by doing File, New, Data Set, and currently the data set field is blank. So I'm going to go ahead and hit more, and then scroll down to UG master, which is the file type that NX uses. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it auto populates the name, the tool used, and the relationship. Most of the time you're going to stick with the default relationship. I'm going to stick with specification for now and hit OK. And as you can see, it added a UG master dataset to my item revision. And so that's how you create an item and attach a data set to it inside of Teamcenter.